am, as you guys know, I am an interior decorator, not an interior designer. There is a difference, but we'll get into that later. So everyone is new here because this is my first video. And I am so excited. I have a client who I'm working with right now, and this weekend is installation weekend. So I would say installation day, but I'm making it like a 2-part thing. Yeah, so we'll get into that later, but I wanted to bring you guys along on this process to show you guys like how everything works and how I work. So I'm about to go load up the truck and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's go. So this is literally like an office space slash storage room. I work from home, so I'm in here most of my time, like 8 hours a day, and this is my office setup. Yeah, we'll get into that a little later, but here's everything I purchased for her, and I've just been storing it in here or whatever. And then this is just a little piece of me and where I work. Maybe I can do an office tour later or something like that. I'm not finished in here, obviously, but we'll get there. And then there go little Bella. She's always in the way, y'all. Bella, say hi. Say hi, girl. Okay, whatever. All right, let's get this show on the road because we need to get it done. I'm excited. It's about time. All this stuff been in here for like probably like a month and a half, almost 2 months or so. So here we go.
Spiders, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, yeah. I told her stab my niece. Yeah, I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in.
So y'all, that was definitely a workout. Like, I am sweating. I am sweating. I don't do this. I don't move stuff. I need some people on my team that's gonna be there and move stuff, period. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I am about to get these receipts together that I purchased pieces with in store, and probably put them in like an organza bag or something because I have nothing else to put them in. So I'm about to do that, and then we gonna head up out of here. Here are all the receipts. Like, I had all this stuff in my purse, y'all, just bundled up like that. Like, how unorganized is that? But I got my little receipt book. Write her receipt. I can't forget about that either. So I'm in the car and I am on my way to, if you know me, then you know. If you know me, then you know where I'm going. Starbucks! First things first. But I was supposed to have help. Loading the truck. But that didn't go how I planned, or you know what I thought. But I'm about to go pick up my cousin now so that he can help unload, because he didn't help load. And that's about it. But I don't have like a car tripod or anything, so I'm gonna have to like let y'all go and then come back, unfortunately. But yeah, so I'm trying to get some cool air because, child, it is hot out here in these Texas streets. It's hot. It's hot as hell. I'm here at Starbucks and My brother's wife or whatever she was following me. I need to call her and ask her if she want anything because she's driving the truck. And of course she don't need to go through the line because that's ghetto.
Hey.
Hey, did you want anything?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay, alright.
Hi, thanks so much for choosing Starbucks. I can help you today.
Hi. Can I get a tall iced caramel macchiato?
Tall iced caramel macchiato. Can I get you anything else?
Can you make it upside down?
Yeah, of course. Anything else for you today?
And then extra drizzle.
And extra drizzle. All right. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be it. Thank you.
All right. Toast and country 503. We'll grab them out right after it's ready.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Let's see. Let me find my card. Thank you. I'm about to call my cousin and see where he at and what he doing because I haven't even heard from him. And this is crazy. Let me put him on the car. Where you at?
At home.
What happened to you?
Nene called me and said you was gonna come and get me.
See, that's not the plan. Me and you had something going.
Yeah, see, Nene had said that when she got off work that she'd come pick me up. Got off work, I guess she went home. She said that she was gonna give me the keys to come pick me up.
See, no. Okay, so she got home and I was like, where Dino at? And she was like, thank you. Can I get a straw, please?
Of course. You said what?
She got home and I was like, thank you. She got home and I was like, where Dino at? And she was like, he at home. I told him that you'll pick him up on the way out. And I was like, that was not the plan. I said, me and him had already had something going. And she was like, well, I wasn't in my car. And I'm like, lady, that don't have anything to do with anything. Like,
I mean, shit. I had when you had text me and told me it's like see if Nene can pick you up. Like coming. And text, I said can you pick me up when you get off of work? And she said yes.
Yeah, I don't know what she got going on, but I was like, what the heck? But I had other people helping me, so.
So you good?
Yeah, like the truck is loaded and then I'm about to be on my way to come pick you up and then get the mirror. And then I'm gonna put the mirror in my mom's truck because it can't go on the back of Josh's truck because of course it'll probably break or something. So I'm gonna put it back in here. And then Nikita following me in the truck, so.
Josh back?
No, Josh not here.
So who the hell was helping you?
Business. My mama and them helped me.
Oh.
It wasn't a lot. It's not a lot. It was only like 2 big pieces that was heavy. So that was it. That's all I really needed you for was the 2 big pieces.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything else, it's not even a lot of stuff, to be honest with you. It's like a lot of small stuff.
So where the rest of the shit at?
Where the rest of what stuff at? Everything is in the Nikita truck.
Oh. Alright.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Yeah.
See? Like, what's going on? Communicate with me. That's all you have to do is communicate with me. I'm the source. Jeez. But, things happen, you guys. Things happen. But anyway, I'm about to, who is honking? Who is honking like that? Oh, the ambulance. The ambulance behind me. I gotta go. Okay, so we're pulling up here now. Picking up Dino, my cousin. Let's see, hold on. Nikita probably want to cuss me out, y'all, because at this point, she probably like, this girl drives so crazy. But I really don't. But I'm like the worst person to like follow. I be forgetting that people be following me. Like, I just be driving normal. I'm like, child, and why she parked way over there? I probably should have parked another way because he has to open up the trunk to put the mirror in here. Oh, jeez. Okay. One thing at a time, one thing at a time. But my drink, y'all, get with it. Get with it. Caramel ice macchiato. Upside down. Extra drizzle. Get with it. Oh, dang, y'all. He ain't playing. He ready. Look. He is not playing, child. He said he is coming. He said he couldn't load, but he coming. I don't know, like it was a.
You want to be recorded.
Pick your pants up, pick them up. Let the seats down. Okay. Good luck. What happened to the cardboard and stuff?
I still got it.
Why you didn't wrap? Put it on there. See, dealing with you.
I still got it. You want me to go get it?
I mean, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Y'all, I love this mirror. Like, I have to go get me one. I really do. It's the, I think it's called Hovid mirror, Hovid or something at IKEA. And we spray painted it because it comes silver, but of course we're not doing silver. We're doing gold accent, gold and black accent, I guess. So we spray painted it gold. So I'm gonna wait on him to go do that or go get that and do it. I don't know why he didn't have it wrapped up. I didn't give it to you unwrapped. I'm kidding, I love Dito. After this, I'm gonna need a drink and I'm gonna need something to eat. I don't know, I'm thinking about going out to eat though after this, seriously though. I just don't know where I'm gonna go. We'll see. I don't know, I think I have a taste for like Mexican food. I always go to Mi Cocina, y'all. Like, Mi Cocina is my place. I'm kind of almost like burnt out of it though, like burnt out. And I always get the Mambo Taxi. And I think the limit is like 2 drinks and you can't get any more after that. So here you go with this paper and the cardboard. Let me see. I don't know why Nikita parked way across the street. Oh yeah, she said she don't park it near other cars. That's what she said. I forgot. She probably don't know how to park it up under the shed. She said she can barely see.
There she goes.
I know. I was like, why she parked way over there?
Hey.
Oh, I got you. I see.
Hey.
Where you get those blankets from? Them some nice blankets.
Nah, for real. It's soft.
Dude.
Yeah, you should be. Girl.
Shut your mouth. Look, nothing. I ain't doing nothing. Okay, hold on. Let's see. You could pull up. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go right there. Someone up.
Perfect. Thank you, thank you. And then it's gonna go all the way to the front. Probably by my freaking head. Just let it out. Yeah, just let it out. Yeah. If y'all seen like my reel on Instagram, my mom was talking about how I had this big old thing in her car or whatever. Yeah, we're doing that again. Here we go. Way up the top of my freaking head. And look at how he sits, yo.
Bro, stop. Cut it off. Cut it off.
I cannot. Oh. She must be putting the address in her phone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to leave her.
You say you finna leave?
I don't want to leave her. Okay, well. I'm driving, so I'll get back on here when I make it to my client's house. Okay, so we're here about to unload. Have all this stuff. Hold on. Okay. And I think he's about to get the mirror out now. Where's the wallpaper? In this box. Oh, okay. Oh.
Move.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's really cute in here though. Thank you. I like it. Okay. I think that's it for now. Oh, I have my letter here, and I have the tool bag, so I won't forget it for tomorrow. And then I think that's it. We'll be here at 9 in the morning.
Okay.
And we'll get started. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. We've been waiting for this. Okay, so after that move, I'm starving and want a drink. So here we are at BJ's. Ooh, child. And why didn't y'all tell me I needed some lip gloss on? Why y'all didn't tell me I needed more lip gloss? I haven't been here in a while. This is like my third time coming to BJ's. I really don't know what I want, but we about to figure it out because I'm starving. I need the drink menu first.
It's right here. Oh,
You can look at it together. How about some Tito's? Some vodka.
I did the one Paris had last time.
Which one?
What was that? That went down really smooth. What was that?
What did we? That was Crown Apple.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, that was Crown Apple.
See, I'm not a drinker, so
But do you like dark or clear liquor?
I really don't know.
She said she had a drink.
Yeah. As long as it's like kind of smooth, or it's like barely tastes like alcohol.
Lemon drops are pretty. They're good. Lemon drops. I don't know. I'm getting Tito's. Something with Tito's.
Strawberry lemonade. That sounds pretty good.
I'm gonna tell you one time.
Tito's.
You start drinking here right now, you got one time to swerve the wheel. You got one time. You make one
What are you
suspect
talking
left,
about?
you are no longer the
He
driver.
said a suspect left.
You swerve the car one time, you are no longer the driver.
Oh my God, what is this guy talking about?
Alright.
But I don't know about margaritas.
Oh, white peach margarita. That does sound good.
You know how black people is. If I look at you like you are no longer the driver.
Oh my God. No, I'm good. One drink is not gonna hurt.
I'm just saying, I'm just letting you know.
You can drive. You can drive.
I'm not just letting you know.
Since you're not drinking.
Continue
Are you
driving.
drinking?
Huh?
Are you drinking?
No.
No drinking and driving. So.
Did y'all decide anything? I need a little longer.
I think I'm going to get the Tito strawberry lemonade. Can I get 2 of the Tito strawberry lemonade?
2 of those?
Mm-hmm.
All right,
I know, yeah, I get carded all the time. I'm used to
That's
it.
okay, I do too.
Oh, for real? Yeah, you
I'm
do.
like 26 and I got that baby face.
Yeah, I do too. Hold on one second.
Yep. Same thing with your brother too.
For real?
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
I know.
2 of the strawberry, right? Tito's?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, I don't like it right now, but everybody say you're gonna like it when you get when you get older. I know. Sucks.
I'm not gonna have that. I already know.
I don't get carded.
You don't?
Nowhere.
Well, you look like you're about 30.
You do look older though. How old are you?
I'm gonna space them out there.
So this lemonade or strawberry lemonade Tito's. Give me about an 8 out of 10. It's not that strong. It's actually pretty good. You think so? I don't think it's strong. It is a lot, but I don't think it's strong.
So why you give it an 8 out of 10? Why you give it an 8 out of 10?
Because it tastes good. It's good. It's not strong to me.
So what are the other two at? What are the other 2 points? Like, what is it missing? Like,
probably because it's not that strong. You know?
you want it to be strong?
Yeah. Why not? Like, we should have just took shots. Don't laugh at my little chicken nuggets because they're good. I wish I had more like sauce on it though. They're kind of like dry, but I know. But that's okay. So I finally made it back home. And y'all, that food at BJ's, no. I'm not going back. I don't like BJ's. It was disgusting. It was nasty. I mean, the wings were just like really dry, and I'm not going back there. But I'm about to clean my face, take my makeup off, and then go to bed. But child, I am like exhausted. It's 12 o'clock at night, and I have to get up like really early to be at my client's house so that we could start decorating. So this client I'm working with now, she chose my package where like it's the Beyond Space package, that's what it's called, and I created an e-design for her. And basically like an e-design or mood board is basically like a visual for the client. It pretty much like help the client out on visually seeing the space before the space is actually being created. So it's actually pretty cool. And so I created the e-design for her, and then she approved it, and then I started buying pieces for her. And technically I'm supposed to order the pieces online, but because she's like a client that resides in Dallas, I typically like to like if it's like online or whatever, and I know like it's in a store nearby, I'm gonna just go get it because why not? And I like to shop, so a lot of that stuff I actually went into store to purchase, which was pretty cool. I had fun doing that, so that was the fun part, shopping. And so ooh, this is hard to open. So yeah, I'll be there tomorrow to decorate or whatever. The fun part, this is the fun part, getting to the nitty-gritty of things. I'm excited, and she's excited as well. It's probably been like a month or a month and a half since we've had our consultation, and I've purchased everything. And then tomorrow is install day. But yeah, so what do y'all use to like clean y'all's face? Comment below on like products that y'all use to clean y'all's face and to keep y'all's face moisturized, because child, my face be so dry. My face be so dry. But yeah. And my client, she'll be there tomorrow, but when we get there in the morning, she'll probably be there for a little bit, and then she's leaving because she's in a wedding or have to go to her friend's wedding or something like that. So she'll be there for a little bit, and then she's going on a cruise, so that's exciting. And then when she gets back, I'll probably go back over there to take pictures and stuff like that, and actually have the photographer there. He couldn't make it this weekend, so I'll be doing all the picture taking and videos and everything for him until he get back. So I am decorating, I am photographer, I am everything this weekend. So I just want everything to be perfect. Well, not perfect because nothing's perfect, but you know, I'm a perfectionist, y'all. Like, I be stressing out. If it ain't how I want it, I'm stressing out, you know. So hopefully tomorrow goes well and it be a good day. I don't use all this micellar water. What is it called? Micellar water? I don't know. Oh my lash. Y'all done had a whole lash come on. Oh, no it's not. JK. Just kidding, it didn't come on. Some of that stuff that I purchased though, like, you know, like when you purchase something and like you put it up or like put it in storage or something, or just have it out the way for a while and you be like, dang, I don't even remember what I bought. That's typically how I felt today. Like, what is this? Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot I bought that. I had that kind of moment today. I just had stuff all in their room, just everywhere. So, okay, so I'm about to wash my face and get in the bed and get ready for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. Today is the day. Installation day. Installation day. Why did I sleep with this thing on my head though? Y'all, it is 6 o'clock in the morning and I didn't get no sleep really. Like, I'm running on like 4 to 5 hours of sleep, so let's see how today goes. I am exhausted, but it's installation day. Installation day. So excited. I'm about to start getting dressed and brushing my teeth and getting myself together, and I'll bring you guys along.
For me, that's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too wealthy. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my thoughts. Thinking too hard. Thinking too hard. But I really wanna do it. I can make this many songs. Not a lady, and I haven't met her, but she on me head. I'm a Sarah Dana. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I can keep it in the sun. In the middle, it's intoxicated. Get way on you, get it like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, better to my lady. I just wanna pleasure, check my catalog. Thinking I can make as many songs. Not a lady.
Okay, so I'm leaving the house now. I'm kind of in a rush, you guys, and I'm wanting to stop by Starbucks, but I don't think I'll have time. It's like 8 o'clock. I told her I'll be there at 9. So, a little crunch time. I'm on crunch time. I haven't eaten. I'm hungry. I gotta stop and get gas. So, I don't know about it. But, yep. So, that's where we stand with this right now. I am on my way to pick up my cousin because he's gonna be with us again today. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So I'm a little sad because I really don't have time to stop for Starbucks, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, no. Nor food, so I guess I'll just have to get that later. And then Mama Cretia couldn't come because she has to work today, and she's like my second eye, y'all. Like she'll tell me like, no, do this, do that, or you know, my little second opinion. So she's not gonna be here today either. Sad, but that's okay. But yeah, so like, that's really where I get this interior decorating stuff from, her and my grandma, my nana. So I'm a little sad, y'all. A little sad, but it's gonna be okay. And I'm still driving, so it's now 8:12, and I told her I'll be there at 9. So I'm crunched for time. I still gotta pick up my cousin. Starving. Freaking starving. Should have got up earlier, but it's okay. Little update. See you guys later. I'm driving. So we're finally here, and I have to hurry up because Danny is going to a wedding, and yeah. So hold on, let me see. Yes.
Oh no.
What? Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm too young for that.
We all too young for that.
Why? I don't know. They were clowning me in the car.
That's for like other people.
I didn't think I was for other people. Okay, so I just want to take a moment to, first of all, congratulate you on your new space. Thank you. And thank you in general because you've been a good client. You're amazing. Thank y'all for being here, for helping me, because it's a run for y'all and you're getting done. And I don't know where my best friend is. She's late, like, but she gonna be behind the camera today. So, Lord Decor. I'm about to tap it too. It's not a shot. It's not a shot. I get to boss y'all around today. It's the same kind of lighting as yesterday.
We gotta move this shit from the wall, huh?
Yeah, so move the bed away from the wall, the nightstand away from the wall. This is the wallpaper right here. So my best friend is finally here. Let me pour her up a mimosa. Girl, after an hour.
CP time.
CP time. Now this is the Uber, I swear. I know, right? So I left the guys there, the handyman, to finish up work, but me and Leela is about to go get something to eat because we're starving. It's now 11:24. We got here like around 9:25-ish, and I'm starving. Yeah, Leela was late. Not surprising. But we about to get some food. We about to get Popeyes for them chicken tenders. But yeah. Ooh, child. I'm already tired and we aren't even like halfway finished. I'm not even tired. I'm just like, dang, what can I do? Because I'm not even doing anything, y'all. I'm just watching them work pretty much. I'm not no handy guy or handy girl, whatever you want to call it. So my work, right, my work isn't, I'm not doing no work right now, but when they're finished, that's when I come into play. And then I'll bring you guys back on then so y'all can see me work. But right now, we out here in these Dallas streets. I don't know where I'm at, where I'm going. I'm just trying to find a Popeyes. I don't know what she got going on either. My best friend. Yeah, I thought she wasn't gonna show up today. I really did. And I was like, oh, my friend is here.
Good though.
Thank you.
Girl, you thought I was gonna show up today.
My lashes in my hair. Yeah, I really thought you weren't gonna show up today. And I was gonna be mad because I would just have to do this myself, you know?
Why would I do that to you?
I don't know. You never know. Like, people be weird. People are weird.
The fact you thought I was with, cut the camera.
Cut the camera. No.
Cut the camera.
Where we going?
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
Turn the air on. It's hot.
Big T, there go Big T.
Is it really?
Girl, no.
I'm like, what are you talking about? We are not by Big T's. Oh my god.
Where are we?
I don't know. You supposed to have the address in for Popeyes.
Oh yeah, I'm over here like, yeah, I know where it's at. But I think we went the opposite direction.
Miles, so.
Yeah, it's right here. Come across people and be like, say hello, hello Decor. Say hello Decor.
Hello, Decor by Creisha.
Hello Decor by Creisha.
Girl, I didn't tell you what happened last night. I didn't tell you what happened last night.
What happened? Wait, do I need to talk to the camera? What's all up in here?
Starving. Can't go wrong with Popeyes, chicken tenders, and red beans and rice. What is sweeties on? I need to try that. Let me try it. You know, like,
It is so good.
that's like Chinese sauce. Like the duck sauce, but spicy. I don't like that. Ugh. Hot. It's more hot than sweet. You would think this is my house, how I just walked up in here with the key and everything, like I live here. That's crazy.
What were you doing?
Huh?
What were you doing? You did so well.
I didn't do all of them, girl.
It's gonna be wonderful.
It's just one twist. It's just one twist.
Okay, what else do we got?
Only 16 and I'm on my way there. Niggas be hating already. Oh yeah, it gotta be a hard, it gotta be a
insightful and less disruptive.
Twisting and left or right.
KPMG says yes, it
Lefty, loosey, righty, tight.
I'm twisting it.
Nah, you gonna really do it?
No, I'm not. I'm not even untaping this shit. So wait, what you want? Like, what we should I place it first?
Yeah, go and get it started.
Place it to where you think it's gonna be. Then
Yep. You gonna fuck up your back trying to reach over there.
you gonna be like this.
Yep. Just leave a little gap so it can be consistent with the rest of them.
Leave a little bit?
Yeah, just a real tiny, like a 16th of an inch.
Okay. What the fuck is a 16 of an inch?
A fucking, a pencil lead?
Yeah, it's like
Not even that.
tiny. You know on the ruler?
Oh, we have the right here. Here the untie these.
Mama too hot like a, like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard. And your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good gracious. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. You my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. We dipping Devin like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. She having it with the color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass that's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, but I'm out of it. You slide on all your nights like this. Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spice on.
Wonderful.
Ooh, that's sexy.
Get all the shit that they told me. Tired of niggas thinking that they know me. You gon' turn me back into the old me. You gon' turn me back into a savage. I done did shit you couldn't imagine.
Me and Bestie needed a break. Yeah, I think it's putt. Is it called putt?
I think so.
It's called putt golf. Like the little mini golf thing. See? Is it called putt golf?
I think so. Do they give you clubs and shit?
I don't know. Probably not here. I don't know. Whew. We outside. Needed a little break. Child, I'm tired. I have a headache. It's time to eat again. We ate like around what time? 12. Was it 12?
Yeah.
And it's now like 5 o'clock. I'm about ready to eat. We're supposed to go out tonight, but I don't even know if that's gonna happen. We'll see. I should celebrate Allure Decor by Cretia.
Yeah.
I should celebrate. But I don't know, we'll see. Okay. These apartments are nice, y'all. Like, she got a courtyard view. I'm like I'm tripping out because I'm like in my client's house. Like I just like you would think I've known her for years and I have not. I have not at all. Right, like I'm family. I'm so comfortable in here and everything. But I mean that's always good too, you know.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
Dito, you sleepy?
No.
You sleepy? How you feeling, D? How you feeling, Dito?
My body is going through nicotine withdrawal.
Go on a patio.
I said, who got a cigarette?
Oh, that's the problem. That's why you mad. Should have went home at a decent time last night. Responsibilities. Instead of getting in at 6 o'clock in the morning.
I had my cigarettes.
Oh well. You shouldn't have smoked them all.
I didn't smoke them all. They at the house.
Oh well, you shouldn't have left them.
You should have been rushing.
I wasn't rushing you.
Rushing?
I was not rushing him. He came out ready. Like literally, I didn't have to call him. I didn't have to call him or nothing to come outside.
Act like it was nothing. Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna?
And it's a wrap. We're done. Ah! What time is it? What, 9 o'clock now? Yeah.
It is.
I am exhausted, you guys. I just want to go home and get in the bed. I'm not going out tonight. I'm not doing none of that. So don't call me. Don't hit my phone. Don't text me. None of that. None of that. I'm going to bed. But I got to come back tomorrow to make up the bed and put up a light scone because I had to take the other one back to World Market because it was like broken half.
What you mean?
Go get this one. It's literally broken. Like, I'm gonna have to take it back. So that's it. But I'll be back tomorrow.
Right.
Whew. Hey guys, so it's the next day, the day after installation day, and I'm just outside chilling with my coffee. It looked like I had a time last night. I kind of did though, because we were there till like 8 p.m. last night. So I'm extremely exhausted. I'm trying to regroup today. But I hope you guys enjoyed spending the past few days with me, and I hope you guys come back and enjoy some more interior decorating ideas, decorating tips, decorating in general. Let's decorate your lifestyle, honey. Let's decorate. I'm just like, I'm glad to be able to help others like decorate their space. It means a lot to me. It's when you decorate, it just does something to the soul, like your heart, your mind, your everything. It's so like pure, and it's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. So I hope she really enjoys her new place. When she comes, she's on vacation right now, so she's gonna like Cancun and everything, and she won't be back for like a week. So when she comes back, she's coming back to a decorated home, you guys, like, or even like just a bedroom, but still, like, that's probably the best feeling ever. Like, you're out on vacation having the time of your life, and then you come home and still, like, it's still a vibe. Like, oh, she's gonna love it. So I'm excited. But I finished everything, but I didn't put up the wall scones because one of them was broken when I opened up the box. So I was going to glue it back, and I was like, no, I'm going to just take it back and get her another one. And so I'm going to do that probably today. I'm going to go get another one today, but I'm probably not going to put it up until like probably sometime Monday, or like, because today is Sunday. So maybe Monday or just sometime within the week of next week. Throughout the week. One of those days. I'm not sure. I may just wait until my photographer come back and is available, and when we go then to, like, you know, record and take pictures and stuff, maybe I'll just have someone put it up then. I don't know just yet. But I also need to go back to make up her bed, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or not. I'm gonna just go along with the flow today because, child, I am tired. But yeah, we'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and spending the past few days with me, and just wanting to get more like inspirational ideas on decorating and everything. Just follow me on all my social media platforms, you guys. It's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all Allure Decor by Krisha _. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Welcome. I'm excited. This is something new for me. Very new for me. I don't really get on YouTube. Like, I be on YouTube, but I haven't recorded anything for YouTube, as you guys already know. It's my first video, so not too hard. Don't be too hard on it. But anyway, so today I'm just about to get my day started and go from there. I'm supposed to go to brunch with the girls to celebrate you know, me finishing the room and whatnot. So we'll see. That should be exciting. I'm about to go get dressed now, and who knows, you guys may come along. So stick around.